Nowadays, remote access is a necessary thing, especially for those who work remotely. Everyone knows about such programs as TeamViewer or AnyDesk, and now I want to tell you about the worthy alternative to these services, GetScreen.me. GetScreen.me is a remote desktop access from browser, cloud-based software for administration, technical support, and remote work. It works from Windows, Linux, Android, and Mac. GetScreen.me has different integrations, for example, with Telegram, Google Chrome extension, Jira Service Desk, and others. If you need permanent access, you need to register on the website GetScreen.me and then add a device. Then download the agent program. And then here you will see such message. You can click Don't ask again and agree. Then here you will see your email, your login, and you can install the agent if you need automatically get to this computer. Also, you can click here auto sign in. So now you have access to your computer. If you don't want the program to take regular screenshots from your monitor, you can disable it in the setting, take screenshots for previews, and save. And here you will see such official screen of the Windows. And now I will connect to my office computer from home, and I will show you how it looks like. Click the button Connect, and now I will see my desktop, office desktop. Here is the function panel. I can hide it and work, or I can show you some functions and features. For example, here's the name of my computer, here's number of displays, here's the second display. If you need more, it will show here. I also can mute the black screen, unmute it, make screenshots, make full screen mode, record the session, and other different useful functions. About file sharing and other functions that you need when you connect to another computer or another client, I will speak when I tell you about quick support. And session, and back to my dashboard. If you need some settings, go to the computer card. Here you can invite another user with help of his email. Then you can send a permanent link with different information that you can enter yourself, or send him a password. Also, you can send one-time link if you need fast access. Also, you can do it in the agent program. You can send this fast link with help of different messengers. Then here you will see the file manager, wake on LAN function. With help of it, you can wake up your turn off computer remotely, history, system, and other settings. If you need to connect another computer with the help of quick support, click the permanent tab and invite the client. Here you will see different options how you can invite the client. You need to send an invite. You can do it with several ways. For example, send the link to your client by different messengers or email. And if you call on the telephone, you need to dictate the number to the client, and here he needs to enter it. I will show you now how it works. Join, and your client will see such window with such information, and then he needs to download the agent program. Now I will show you how it works. And when your client downloads the agent, you will see such invitation to join, and you can join your client. Now connecting the desktop, and here you will see the function panel. Here is sound. You can enable or disable the audio, make a call, chat with your client, make an auto translation if you need to connect to a foreign speaker, and file sharing and other functions. If you need to record the session, you can do it with this button. So very useful panel with different functions. When you make your work, you can end the session. So that's all. Then you can back to your dashboard and continue your working. And now I will tell you a few words about different useful functions. Here is branding, for official branding of your product or company. You can name it as you want. Here is team. If you have some administrators or specialists, you can create a team, name it also, and work more effectively. Different integrations and other settings. So I think that GetScreenMe is useful service. You can try it, write in the comment what you like, what you maybe dislike, and I hope it was useful for you, this instruction and this review. Bye bye.